it's the right time for me to live stream to every Tibetan peoples. So first of all, Tashi Dilek from my side. My name is Razat Tamang. I have been covering Tibetan songs since from 2017, but within these 2-3 years I couldn't came with more Tibetan songs. But now I'm back in 2020 in front of you, and we'll be starting the song in the name of Khong Sacho. So let's all praise the Lord Dalai Lama, and we'll be starting the show right now. And notice that whoever want to share this life, whoever want to hear Tibetan songs, whether you are Tibetan or not Tibetan, you are most welcome in my live streaming, because everyone must hear a Tibetan song, how it is beautifully made it. And then we all non-Tibetan also, we will be praying for your Tibet to be free one day, and hope we can make this together. All right, so I'm by your side to each and every Tibetan peoples who is supporting me throughout my songs, and we will be supporting you all to make your Tibet free one day. So once again, Bhog Yellow, Tibetan people, I am all for you. If you need any help from my side, you can definitely try to tell me. Khong Sacho just a warm-up for